I noticed I was losing my hair in my late 20s. It did make me depressed that I was losing my hair, and especially when comments were being made. It was just very upsetting to me when I was losing my hair. And then people would say things just in passing or joking or whatever, but inside me it really hurt my feelings. I decided to research it. I went online to find a doctor. I had interviews with a couple other doctors, and finally came here and found my home. I went to PAI Medical Virginia, and I came in, we had a consultation. We talked about what kind of procedure I need to fulfill my hair loss, and I was happy with what they were proposing, and I went ahead with it. Everybody's just great here. The procedure was easy, and I didn't feel anything. I saw dramatic results about 6 months after that. Having this procedure has definitely changed my life. I believe that if I didn't have the hair I have now, I would be a different person.